big case going on right now in California as plaintiffs are suing social media companies, TikTok, Snap, YouTube, and Meta, which holds Facebook and Instagram. It's a huge case, as it's called a bellwether case, because plaintiffs and the defendants are seeing how their arguments hold up in front of a jury, and it's going to determine other cases that are going, because there's another lawsuit being held that started in New Mexico and another one coming in Oakland, California in June. And what they're doing is these plaintiffs have said, or their allegations are, that these social media platforms are addictive to children and harms their mental health. In this case in California, the very first one, they're using a child who said was addicted to social media platforms and hurt her mental health. And the plaintiffs have done a really good job of storytelling and really putting a human face to their struggle and really winning the court of public opinion as a paint this as a David versus Goliath type case. Unfortunately for the social media companies, their storytelling and their time in the court of public opinion has not been as good. They haven't done a great job, which is surprising, because basically social media is all about storytelling and getting your story out there. And their public-facing comments have been about, they have regulations, they have parental control, instead of getting their story out, which is really surprising, because if you remember a few years ago, Meta had this great commercial being run that the whole reason why they have Facebook is to connect people and how it brings people together and all these positive aspects of social media. But it doesn't seem like they're getting that message out into the court of public opinion. Now, the big part is going to be, what does the jury believe? Does the jury believe that these social media platforms actually did harm and did addict and did go after children to harm them? Or is this child, the plaintiff, is her mental health due to other factors, which is what the defendants are claiming? I will give props to the communications departments in some of these companies, because a lot of the things that some of the products they were trying to put out, the comms and people that knew PR would say, hey, this is not good PR for our company. You're seeing this in internal emails, as the communications department or whoever is in charge of public relations was saying, hey, these ideas may be profitable or may be culturally relevant in certain countries, but it's not going to be good PR. So as you can see, again, lessons learned, run it through comms. And back to the trial, we're going to see who actually wins the court of public opinion and who actually wins the trial, because you have 40 different attorney generals waiting to sue these social media companies along the same lines of that the plaintiffs have, that they have addicted children, that they are dangerous, and they've not been good stewards towards